Hello children of Standard 4 of D.V. Moyle Public School, Sita Savangi. This is Aarti Agrahari welcomes you all on e-learning class. Dear children, our subject is social science and our topic is an ideal home. In previous class, we learned that ideal home should neat and tidy. I also gave you assignment. I hope you have completed that assignment. We have learned two features of ideal home: sunlight and ventilation. Today we will discuss another feature of an ideal home: sanitation. An ideal home must have proper drainage system to remove the dirty water. The drain should be covered and cleaned regularly to prevent the breeding of flies, germs, mosquito and cockroaches. A proper drainage system protects us from diseases like malaria, dengue, cholera, etc. The dustbin should have a lid and it must be cleaned every day. Do you know children, the drains from bathroom and kitchen should slope for an efficient system of cleaning. Doors and windows. A good house should have two doors, a wooden door and a wire net or fly mesh door. The window should have fly mesh to keep flies and mosquito away and allow fresh air. So children, fly mesh or wire net door is very important in house. Next is water supply. An ideal home must have sufficient water supply for bathing, washing cloth, cleaning utensils, wiping floors, etc. The scarcity of water can lead to unhygienic surroundings. Drinking water must be stored in clean and covered vessels. Storage tank must be cleaned at regular interval. Dear children, I am showing a picture to you. This picture shows water scarcity in our country. So children, don't waste water. See this picture carefully. So stop wastage of water and save water for your future. And most important feature of ideal home is safety. The doors and windows should have bolts and locks. The main door must have a spy eye to ensure that the door is not open to the stranger. There should be a wall or fence all around the house to keep animal and the stranger out. There should be a proper system of escape in case of a fire or other natural calamities. And one most important thing is the doors and windows should have curtains. Curtains help the house look nice and maintain privacy. They also help to keep the flies, mosquitoes and dust out. See the given pictures of building and home. There are some proper system of escape in case of fire or other natural calamity. Next features of an ideal home is cleanliness. A house should be kept neat and clean. The furniture and other things should be dusted every day. Floors should be wiped with disinfectant. Things should be kept in proper places. It keeps the house neat, tidy and saves a lot of time. So dear children, you should keep your things, your belonging list in proper place and make your home neat and clean. Another feature is garbage disposal. A clean home and a neighborhood require an efficient system of garbage disposal so that Heaps of garbage do not harm the people or the environment. The people must separate those items that can be reused or recycled to reduce the amounts of garbage. The garbage should be disposed of from the surrounding on daily basis. So, this container carefully. One is blue and one is green. Green container is for gila kachra and blue container is for sukha kachra. So dear children, use this type of container in your home. We all are responsible for protecting the natural environment. We should keep fresh plants around our house. We must plant tree in our colony. We must live in harmony inside our home and with our neighbors. The cooperation, sharing and caring create a friendly environment. And children, again I am saying, a house may be big or small, it may be in a village or in a city, but it must be clean, safe and comfortable to live in. So dear children, I hope you have understood the feature of ideal home and how to keep your environment neat and clean. Now assignment time. Your question is, write some features of ideal home. Okay, you will write this answer on your notebook and we will discuss exercise of this lesson in next class. Thank you. Have a nice day.